up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany. I am Brittany W on all social media, and today's video is all about denim. Yes, as we are entering fall, you are going to see so much of blues and browns and tans and greens and reds and things of that sort, just because we are entering into the fall season, and that's where the trend is going. And as I was doing my research, getting some inspiration as well on what to do for you guys next, I kept seeing this denim eye look. So yes, we are going to recreate a denim eye look using nothing but blues and blacks. So go ahead and grab all your blues, even your sparkly blues if you want a little bit of glitter in there. Remember in the 90s when we used to have glitter jeans? Oh yeah, so if you want a little bit of glitter in your jeans, go ahead and grab your glitter right now. Okay, before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post more videos like this. Yes. Oh, and by the way, thank you guys for watching my last video, coming to work with me as you guys went to a photo shoot right in Manhattan. Yes, you did. So if you haven't watched that video, after you finish watching this one, go ahead and watch that and check out all my other content as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right on in. Okay, so before we get started, can we just say yes to this hair? I'm going to go ahead and tie it back so we can go ahead and somewhat get started. Listen, I'm loving these braids. Just in time for fall. Clean face, only did eyebrows. You guys know what the deal is. So I'm going to take my palette now and I'm going to go in with a brick brown color. I believe that color is Cameroon. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place palette to achieve this look. I'm going in with that brick color into my crease, and I'm creating my background colors first. You always want to create your background colors first before going in. Now I'm going in with my blue shadow. I actually went in with brown as well after the brick color, but I'm going in with that electric blue because, like I said, this look is all about denim jeans. So we're just going to blend that in, going in a patting motion. And now I'm going to take that darkest blue color and I'm going to put it on my outer V and bring it up into my crease along the bottom of my lash line as well. But mostly keeping it on the outer V and into the crease. Blending that all in with that brick color and the brown color on top of that very high pigmented royal blue color. Now what you see me doing is I took a little bit of black just to deepen that in, because like I said, denim comes in all shades. So we have like an electric blue, a royal blue, a dark blue, and then, you know, black jeans as well. Blending all those colors in, we have a beautiful blue smoky, electric blue smoky eye that mimics denim. Taking some of that electric blue down on the bottom, just blending out some of that eyeshadow. We all know, blend, blend, blend. Blending is our friend. I'm using I want to say, oh, that's Sugar Face brush to blend that out. A fluffy brush to blend out the edges. Now just taking a baby wipe and cleaning all the fallout. I'm now going to take some liquid black eyeliner and drag it across the upper lids of my eye. And I'm actually tight lining it because I want it to be a very thin line. And I want it to go across to make my upper lashes look extended. I'm now going to take my lash, which is from Amazon. Give me a little bit of drama. And place those on. I use the duo glue for the most part. Either duo glue or hair glue is the best glue for your eyelashes, ladies and gentlemen. So now this is the final look of the eyes. The eyes are all done. Just fixing the lashes. Sometimes you might need to cut your lash if it's a little too long. I tend to cut mine a lot. What you see me doing now is putting in a little bit of sparkle of electric blue, and that's actually Pat McGrath Electric's blue that I put on top of that royal blue color. I'm going in now with my Juvia's Place matte cream foundation in the shade 410 Nairobi. Now I'm going to highlight a little bit. I'm using a cream foundation from Vermore.
I'm going to insert what the name is down at the bottom of the products that I'm using. But that is the Veramore color. It's really, really light. You want to put your lightest concealer color closest right under your waterline on your lower lids. Your lower part of your eyes, I should say. We're now going to highlight the chin, the eyes, and our jawbone right up under that contour. Oh, and don't forget your forehead. Highlight that as well. Now we're going to contour using the Fenty Beauty using the Fenty Beauty sticks and shade 400. You know, the 3. Listen, I love the shimmer and the concealer color that comes with that stick. I'm now going to take some of that Fenty stick and take a small concealer brush and draw 2 lines down the center of my nose and bring it into my crease color of my eye and take it around my nose and down my nose. This is a nose contour. That's exactly what we are doing. Now I'm going to take some setting powder. I am using the Benign. Oh, it's a little messy, messy. A little Benign colorless powder. It's very, very light. It sucks up all the oil really good, and it sets really well. I really enjoy this powder. Sometimes I like to mix it with the Revolution powder as well, but this powder does pretty well. Clean it up. I'm now going to take some Juvia's Place blush. I'm using an orangey color simply because I wanted the blush to look very natural. It's something about an orange color on darker skin tones that just makes it look so pretty. I'm actually using a chocolate CoverGirl lipstick, a matte CoverGirl lipstick in the shade Chocolate. And I'm going to be taking some concealer and ombreing it out. I kind of like the concealer and lipstick look together. It makes it really matte, and we're going for a matte look this time for today, for the most part, with a little bit of highlight. I'm now taking my Lime Crime in the color Chocolate as well, and that is also a matte lipstick. Just refilling out my brows just a little bit. Just fixing it all up. I think she looks pretty good. You'll see that highlight? Blending it out, the blush, just a little bit, and there we go. Our girl.
Okay guys, so this is the final look, and I hope that you have thoroughly enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell once again. Oh yeah, and check out my other past videos listed down below. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.